Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Southeast Asia and a neighbor to Taiwan, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Philippines, Philippines, Phi, La, Pines, Philippines. Philippines is known for its beautiful islands, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. It boasts stunning beaches, lush landscapes, and a rich history influenced by Spanish, American, and indigenous cultures. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about the Philippines, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.